Let us now apply what we have learned to express the following improper fractions as mixed fractions. And we are working with 1, 59 over 5, and then 2, 136 over 9. Solution. For question 1, we are working with 59 divided by 5. Now applying the long division method, 5 into 59. You will see that 5 will go in 59 11 times, right? Now 11 multiplied by 5 would give us 55, which when we subtract from 59 we will get 4 as our remainder. Therefore, we can now say 59 over 5 equals 11 whole number 4 over 5. And then number 2, we are working now with 136 divided by 9. And when we apply the long division method, 136, 9. We find that 9 will go in 136 15 times. And when we multiply 15 by 9, we would get 135. And when you subtract this, your answer is 1 as your remainder. Now, we can then say 136 over 9 is equal to 15 whole number 1 over 9. Thank you.